And welcome back. Second half action now. Redemption Sports Club came out on top of the 2026 Genesis Cup held over the weekend in Mandeville. Redemption won the Under-10 crown along with the Under-14 title to be crowned double champions. The Under-12 title went to Central Kingston. Calabar was the best in the Under-16 category, while Football is Freedom won the Under-15 girls crown.
Last year, we won U12 and 11 last year, right? And the year before, we did the same thing. So we have a conveyor belt of youths coming through, and we are doing well in these younger age group categories.
Now, this was the seventh event, and convener Andrew Edwards says the exhibition on the field showed that there is growth at this level.
But I must say, though, that most of the teams are playing some really good stuff. And you can probably organize coaches are exercising some tactical and strategic approaches to the games.
30 took part. Cooper's Pen of Trelawney was a no-show.
The proof of the pudding is that we need for it. And that we are very happy and proud of Genesis that we are able to provide opportunity to develop the, let's put it that way.